a couple things. Be more gentle with yourself.
Hmm.
I think we're too harsh on ourselves. Um, and I would say choose your words wisely because words have power. And I laugh and I tell people this, but that's why they call it spelling, because every word is a spell, which means that every time you say a word, it's an incantation. And so if you're using negative words, then that's what you're creating. And so if all the only thing that you shift in your life is becoming more aware of the words that you use and you change them to so that they, as best as you can, they become more empowering words to describe yourself in the world, your life will change. I guarantee it.